Today we are going to play a game of fetch. These are Moon's favorite balls. Clearly he's very excited. But we are going to throw fruits and vegetables and watch Moon's reaction. Ready, pup? First, a potato. Ready? Go! Lemon. Fetch. No. Don't go to your bed. You want to eat it? Try again. Apple ball. Ready? Go! You usually don't like apples. Kiwi. Ready? Get it! Those chompers. Ball. Pear. Ready? You don't like it, Mooner? Tomato. I really hope this does not splatter. I'm just gonna roll it. You don't like it? Can you bring it? Lime. Ready? Fetch. Boom, bring it. This is a peach. Ready? Go. You like that peach, Pupper? You never had a peach before. Onion. Ready? Pepper. Go. Look at this. Avocado. Ready? Orange? No? Try. Look at this big ball. Go. How did you bring that? How did you do that? Open it.